Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So following the much trending video of a lady and a man from the Church of the St. John having glove, trending online social media, was set abuzz with a lot of theories as to what could have transpired or who the lady in that video is, as people seem to not have interest at all regarding the guy, you guys. So people have been sharing videos of this lady called Hindi Mabuye, as she was wearing her church uniform, you guys, the St. John church's uniform, and people concluded that it was her because she posted that video yesterday, that those pictures yesterday on Twitter before. And after that, the video, which was leaked on social media, trended, you guys, and people kind of said that Mudiehi is the lady in question, you guys. So she has responded, Mudiehi, for the very first time and said, "So I posted myself in church uniform at 6 a.m. only for a certain video to be posted moments later of a girl who's also wearing blue and white. Now you guys are making it worse in the comments, Mara Le Zhuang Lona." You guys, she basically says that she is not the lady in the video, you guys, because people have been using her pictures as that lady who is trending there on Facebook and all across social media, you guys. And she also said that my family has already sent me the pictures and my neighbors, meaning that they have seen the videos, and they have sent her the videos and her pictures, after social media insinuated that it was her. Clearly, you guys, this is going to take a lot of damage control for Mudiehi to do, because people have already concluded on social media that Mudiehi is the lady in question, while she is not. And it's not even the same church. Somebody said the girl in the video is wearing uniform, yes, St. John, and when are you wearing, yes, St. James? You guys, apparently the uniform that this lady Umudehi is wearing is not that of the St. John. They are not the same at all, as she is wearing the St. James one. Oh, also two people also clarified. M. Besson said, "Mara, the uniform looks different. Yours, Ikariama Bishop, or that one looks like a Christian church. No, that's not you. You just became a victim. Social media abuse." And Mrs. Mami said, "And certainly when you're wearing a uniform, yeah, St. James, Yaba Holo, that lady is wearing uniform, yeah, St. John, Yaba Roitzana, but they're still posting your pictures in reference to that video." As a member of St. John, there you have it, you guys. What are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section down below. Also, like and of course share this video. I'll definitely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.